Hi guys, welcome to my live stream today. It's April 28, 2022 and it is exactly 7:08 p.m. Philippine time. So let's start. So as much as possible, let's make it quick. 30 minutes or less. Actually nag-stream na ako kaninang umaga eh. But baka kasi hindi ako mag-stream tomorrow because I will be out. Anyways, so if you have questions, then feel free to ask in the live chat. So are we good? Wait. Let me just check on that. And there you go. Are we good? Wait. So to start off, of course, I'm gonna share what I did for today. Hmm. Sorry. I forgot. It's close, but yeah, I actually have an open long position in GMT. I don't know if I can still edit this one. But anyway, let's. I think early in this morning, around 8 or 9 a.m., which I just stream. Yeah, because during the day, no, I've been I've been waiting at $20 TP and for ApeCoin, and currently it's already more than that, $20, which is my last target price for I think for the last for the sub account three that I've used for ApeCoin. So currently it's actually closed, and then for GMT. So as you can see, I mean for ApeCoin, yeah, I think it could still go higher than more or less 20.60, which is I think the resistance I'm looking at if we'll use this one. Early this morning, no? But since it's currently trading at this area, so we will adjust this one to more or less this area. So that's more or less close to $21. So anyway, let's see. So the support I'm looking at is of course this area or most likely around $18. So for now for ApeCoin, after I close that last sub account I use for this transaction, I just actually been waiting, waiting. Yeah, the sub account is just there, waiting for what's this? For better entry price. I might possibly short it. Just a few more cents. If ever I'm awake. Kasi gabi na eh. Next, also the support I'm looking at is at we'll use I think this is the weekly period volume, which is around $18. So I think yeah, just a bit more, and then if it's it's actually might possibly form a bearish one, no? So anyway, let's see. Was it that two? Yeah, because I'm waiting for because the developing point of control is around 20.15. If it break down from this area, I might possibly go short. Anyway, let me just remove all my alarms so that it will not distract us later or during the stream. So I think that's it for ApeCoin. Now let's move on to the other position that I've closed. Yeah, I think I already mentioned that the last target I have here is the $4. So yeah, most of it are actually closed. I actually use six sub accounts, and then I just added one sub account yesterday. I think yesterday night, or yesterday night. Kasi I plan to scalp it. However, nakatulog ako. So, it became 7 sub account, and then yeah, and then the TP is at 385, which already been done, and the last one is at $4. And then after I stream today, uh, it actually went low as I think around 3.78 or something. But I entered at the developing point of control, which is 3.86, 3.86 or more. Because so currently, yeah, I just forgot to add it, but I do have an open long position for GMT that I have open at 3.86. So, yung TP niya is actually 4.20. I used three different sub-accounts, 420, 425, I think 425, 430, and the last one is 435. Actually, I put one here, an alert, so that at least I'll know if ever the last TP that I have currently uh, will be closed. But anyway, from here, yeah, I already adjusted my stop loss 10 cents from my entry price, which is 3.96 before I started this stream. So if ever, it's either way, it's a gain on stop loss or gain at take profit. So I think that's it. So I'm just waiting for a breakout here. So hopefully it hit a new all-time high around this area, 4.5, 4.37 to 4.5. So let's see. Let's see na lang. Let's see. So anyway, that's it for my own trades for today. So if you have some questions, yeah, actually I'm watching Just Me, but yeah, I did not trade it for the day. The volume is not much. I don't know if I log out that FTX. So I just did not open it. But GMT is actually the top three perpetual contracts, and then ApeCoin is I think top four. So yeah, as I've mentioned, normally you can see me trading the most actively traded perpetual contracts. Why? Because I like where the market action is, because I don't like a boring I don't want to watch a boring asset. Kasi syempre kung hindi gumagalaw and there's very low volume, I think I'd rather sleep than to watch that certain asset. And if you have recalled the ano ba yun? Yung I think the mass ba yun or the gravity, 'di ba? If the object is actually moving, it's much better or lighter, no? Or less force for it to move, 'di ba? Because if a certain object is or hindi gumagalaw or ano ba yung or it's not moving, you need a greater force for it to move. So on that note, yeah, I think I'd rather love trading the one that it's currently active or moving. So anyway, let's go on to the trending. Gandang gabi. Let's go now to some of the trending. What's trending? Oh, sorry. So we've been streaming 9 minutes. So I consume 9 minutes just for my own, no? Oh, okay. KNC, it's now trending. So what happened? I just closed my KNC, I think yesterday, or yeah, I think this today, no? I closed it today. It early before I started my early morning stream. I think it closed my position at $5.63. That's my target price. Anyway, let's take a look at it. I don't know if I already. Oh, it went to a new all-time high if I'm not mistaken. No? Yeah, I believe so. I'm. Yeah, let's just look at it. But It's just that I don't like how it is currently forming. As you can see, there's might possibly be a bearish or at least a pullback from here. You can see that it's going up, but this divergence indicator is already going down. When did I last short it? I think at this area, no? I just forgot. But hmm, no. I think not that. It went as high as 570. Yeah, I remember. I shorted it here. The first one got stop out, and then the second one almost close to my take profit, and then I long. So I just remember. Normally, when you actually trade, of course you remember. You remember, not unless there's so much trades to look at. So possibly that's. I just might continue actually. So let me just check on it. Hmm. It's already medyo nag-pull back na siya, but I don't know if it holds no at this current support area. Else we might possibly see this weekly developing point of control, which is around 436. Developing because the week just started. So there you go. We'll actually use that. Wait, let me try to load all of it. Where is it? 185. So that's where the point of control is, which is a very low. So I think on conservative note, we'll just use this one, which is actually more or less close to weekly developing point of control. This one, the orange one, because the violet one, that's the daily. So anyways, so immediate resistance at its all-time high, which is 5.76. Possibly there is a pullback or correction that might come. A possible bearish divergence forming. So anyway, let's see how it goes. I did not saw it. Yeah, I did that because I just monitored this too, no? Actually, I've been cheering ApeCoin for $20. So anyways, so resistance is of course at 576. So from this area, maybe I'll wait for the ano here for the breakdown. Actually, I can set an alert in here because I think at this moment I already been played. It's just that for 1 hour there might be a possible bullish divergence or bounce that might possibly come. So anyway, let's see. Pero normally I look at the daily first before the 1 hour time frame. So, medyo ano. Yeah, kasi pwedeng bullish divergence sa 1 hour kapag nag-hold siya dito. Else, tuloy-tuloy yan. And possibly, the next support I'm looking at will be this area. Or, yeah, on conservative note, of course, we'll use this one, which is the 47 RSI. And I think that might possibly be the, here, more or less that developing point of control in weekly time frame, which is the previous highs here. So anyway, let's see. KNC has been actually a good trade of mine, no? So far. I actually use 101 leverage for here. So next is what else? So KNC is done. Maybe let's try to look at Bitcoin. Though I don't trade it. Um, well, well, I can't comment much. Ang kulit ko lang. Well, I can't comment much, but yeah, I think it's the same analysis that I do have. Bullish divergence forming. It's just that I need a confirmation, or at least for it to break this 40,000 or close to 41,000, or at least get back to this resistance, which will eventually become the support if it break this area. Else, retest still on the 37,500. Breakdown, of course, to 36, and yeah, worst case, the $33. $33, ano? But it can even get as low as the $28. So anyway, let's see how this BTC goes. For now, yeah, I actually been watching, just I'm just on watch on this. No trade at the moment. Because I think the risk reward is not that attractive on my personal, for me personally, no, because this is just 1:1 or even less than one risk reward ratio. However, if that fits you, then it's up to you for you to hit that buy or sell button. So anyway, uy, anong magandang i-trade scalping sa altcoin? Hmm. Para sa akin na eto yung nati-trade ko normally, si ApeCoin at saka si GMT. I think ApeCoin, I've been trading it since it started listing, I think March 17, if I'm not mistaken. So, simula March 17, I've been trading it eh. And ApeCoin is actually one of the, what's this? One of the biggest gains that I have in terms of fiat, not on ROE, because the leverage that I use here is just 20 times. It's because the exchange, yeah, set it as the maximum leverage that I could use for that particular contract. Depende kasi sa contract and depende sa exchange. So, yun. But normally, I really use the maximum leverage if ever, no? And And of course, si GMT, maganda din to. I think I forgot when did I start trading it. Yeah, but I did not trade it March 17 eh. But when it become one of the top futures, yeah, it actually caught my attention and I started trading it from there. No, and I think this is also one of the, yeah, I think both ApeCoin and GMT gives me the uh best realized gain so far in terms of fiat. Yeah, because when I closed it, the gain is in USD. So anyway, that's just it. So currently I do have, actually I'm waiting at 435. So hopefully it hit that, because I think there's still a possible upside from here unless it will be rejected na around this area. So I think yeah, I canceled the alert. I'll just reset it, or I'll just activate it after the stream kasi baka mamaya mag-alert kasi siya eh. Diba? Though I'm looking at 437 to 448 as a possible target, I think this is a flag as a possible target. On conservative note, I think I'll just use the 435, which is the last TP that I have from my three sub accounts. Yeah, for the last is 435, 430, and 425. Ang kulit ko lang. Yeah, kasi kanina, yeah, kasi kanina, I actually forgot to change my TP to market trailing stop, at least negative 10 cents sana. So if I did that, more or less I got tipped at not not at $4, but more or less 408, no? Ganon. Pero okay lang, 10, I think 10 cents. 10 cents, no? 10 cents is actually medyo malaki na din kasi siya sa akin, eh, yung 10 cents kapag ano. Anyways, I already closed it at $4, so hayaan mo na yung na-close na. But yeah, for the three sub-accounts that's still currently open, I hope that it will reach a new all-time high. More than, or at least the 1.618 to 4.37 to 4.48, 1.786 Fibonacci. So, tignan na lang natin so far. So, yun lang masasabi ko. BTC, that, and what else? KNC, no? Wala na akong masyadong tinitignan eh. So, what's are the currently trending? Si ApeCoin medyo ano pala, no? What's Stargate Finance? The volume is not much. Bumo-volume si ano, si KNC. Dogecoin. Dogecoin. I don't know what happened to Ada. I think it's been a few months since I last traded. Yeah, let's just see. Let's just see what happened to it. Whoa. Yeah, I think we'll just use not this one. I think this one. Sa ngayon, ganda ng posisyon natin sa dalawa. APE GMT. Yeah. Oh, for APE, I already closed it. You can see this one. I already closed my long position in APE coin. Cause my target, I don't know if you have watched the previous stream. Cause yeah, I think I mentioned that my last target for ApeCoin is $20, which have already been hit. Gumamit ako dito ng tatlong sub account. And yung last sub account at $20 na hit na. Si GMT, yan na-mention ko din previously, no? Na 3.85 at saka $4 yung target ko. And na-use 6 sub-accounts. Kahapon, nadagdagan siya ng sub-account na isa. So, naging 7 sub-account yung ginamit kong wallet kasi nga si Litecoin, which is hindi ko naman na natitrade yung wallet niya. Kaya nag-open na lang ako ng another long position sa GMT. However, hindi ko nalagay dito. I still have a current long position in GMT na na-open ko at 3.86, which is I think the point of control, the developing point of control today. Medyo ano nga lang siya. Wait, let me just remove all that drawings and let's hide this volume profile para medyo malinis. Yeah, that was it. Yeah, nag-stream kasi ako I think around 8 a.m. 8, so 8 or 9 natapos siya. And yun, 'di ba? Yun, 'di ba? Ang kulit ko lang. Di ba kasi nadan no nung nag-stream ako nung 'di ba? So may open position pa ako nung nag-stream ako kaninang umaga eh. Yung tatlo. So this is the 9. So natapos ako diyan and then nahit yung $4 ko dito, the 3 sub account and then nag-reopen kasi ako sa 3.86. So saan yung 3.86 dito? So more or less lagyan natin dito. So nag-reopen ako right after nun, no? Kasi I actually watch it. So yan. So nag-reopen ako dito. So, target ko is yung 425, 430, and 435. So, however, na-adjust ko na kasi yung ano niya eh, 488 pala to. Na-adjust ko na kasi yung stop loss niya, 10 cents from my entry price. Normally, ganun kasi ako eh. Basta if less than $100, 10 cents from entry price yung kapag nag-go siya within my expectations. So, adjust ka agad ng stop loss, 10 cent from entry price. Pero kapag hindi, edi the stop loss talaga na, yun, syempre, di mo ma-adjust kung hindi siya umakyat, di ba? Or bumaba based sa expectation natin. Based sa expectation ko, di ba? Normally, ganun. Pero kapag BTC, $100 ang ginagamit ko. $100 from entry price. Yung ginagamit ko, kapag umakyat siya, or umakyat siya from my entry price kapag long and kapag bumaba siya ng more than $100, ina-adjust ko din yung stop loss. $100 from entry price. So, ganun lang ako mag-trade. Para at least, whatever may be the case, kung sakaling mag-reverse siya, which is sometimes it does. So, yun. At least, TP ka na din, di ba? Hindi ka na magre-regret. Uy, sayang. Di ba? Pero minsan na-stop out muna ako tapos nahi-hit yung ano na to, yung target, no? But then anyway, I already considered it in my plans. Mas if ever it's easier for me to re-enter the market if ever, di ba? Ganun lang naman kasimple. So, that was just it. Just part of my plans. Anyways, so what else? Sa ngayon, pag na-hit all-time high sa GMT, short position ba tayo? wait. Let's new all-time high. If you actually watch, yeah, di ba dito, oh, you can actually set an alert eh. Because it might possibly, di ba, as what I mentioned a while ago, meron pang possibility for it to move. Wait, let me just remove it ah. So, tignan natin ha. O, di ba? Possible pullback mangyayari dito eh. It's just that, meron pa kasing space oh. So, pwede pa siyang di ba? It's still possible for it to create a new all-time high unless nag-ano na siya, nagbumaba na siya, di ba? So, sa ngayon, I think it might still possibly create a new all-time high unless otherwise it it goes down already. So at the moment, I think I'm still much more what's this? Bullish pa ako. Bullish pa ako. Unless otherwise bumaba na siya, 'di ba? So since wala pa naman, so yun, ganun muna ako. So anyways, kaya ingat, medyo ano lang din. Medyo cautious lang din tayo. Always naman, 'di ba? When we're making our trades. So ganun lang. Actually, you can set an alert on this, no? Just set an alert on it. Para if ever, yeah, normally you can, yeah, I think kanina, most of the alert I have is just GMT and, yeah, I think just GMT. Because because after the position hit $20 for APE coin, hindi ko siya binantayan na eh. It's just this one. So most of the alerts today that I have is eto, si GMT. So I think that's just it. Saan ko ba siya titignan? Saan ko ba siya titignan? Ang kulit ko lang eh. Ayun. Kasi tingin ko mag-aano pa 'to eh. Tingin ko lang. Though na-adjust ko na din yung ano 'no. So it's either 3.96 ako or that 4 hanggang sa 4.35 no. Possible TP ko. So anyway, let's see. Wait lang ah. I-check lang natin 'to. Let's me just remove the drawings. Ayun no. Actually, you can even if you're pag scalp swing kasi to eh. Pag scalp normally I use the 15 minutes. Though o, 'di ba? Kung titignan mo, oh, magbe-breakout pa ata siya eh. Just put an alert in here. Ay, 'di ba? Baka mag-breakout pa siya eh. Let me just put it. Baka kaso ka, baka pala mag-alert. Wait. Let me just cancel. Let me just remove it. Mamaya na lang siguro I'll put it. But yeah, on the verge of possible breakout to eh. Anyways, so siguro konti na lang 22 minutes kasi ilang cents na lang siya to 4.18 eh. Kaya baka depende sa ano, depende sa market action. Let's see the volume anyways. Yun nga lang, I don't like how the volume is forming, no. Baka mamaya kaya at least okay na din na nag-adjust ng stop loss. Because we don't know what might happen to this market, di ba? Diba? Kung alam ko lang, edi wow. Ang kulit lang yan. But I think as long as it holds above this daily developing point of control. So for today, yung halos lahat na naka-enter sila at an average price of 3.86, which is actually, that's where I also, no? That's where my entry price also. So halos lahat or mas maraming naka-enter dito sa 3.86. So kapag bumaba siya sa 3.86, possibly go short ako. But for now, cheer ko na lang muna siya to new all-time high. Okay, thanks. All right. Welcome. O, diba? maganda kasing i-trade yung ano eh, yung mga active na ano, active active na asset kasi yung boring ay nako, matutulog na lang siguro talaga ako pag ganun. Wala, ang hirap kasi and it's also costly, mahal kasi lalo na pag gumagamit ka ng market stop and market take profit which is normally yun yung ginagamit ko, 'di ba? Eh paano kapag 'di ba ang layo ng buy sa sell? O 'di ba? Ito nalugi pa ako. Ang kulit lang yun. Baka malugi pa ako dun sa spread, no? Ang kulit lang yun. Anyway, so ano pa ba? Ano pa bang pwede nating tignan? Ah, si Ada pala, no? What happened to Ada? I don't know what happened to this. Actually, I already sold it. I've been staking it before, but I already sold it. Remove all drawings, and let's check on it. Diba? Let me just check it a bit. 2, 3. O, diba? Hmm. Let me just... O, diba? At least, naka-out na siya sa downtrend. It's currently retesting that previous resistance, no? It's becoming the support no, area, no? Almost, no? Ang kulit lang eh. So, anyways, hmm. Grabe naman, ano bang nangyari dito kay Ado? Almost na, oh. Almost na dito, oh. 34 cents. I don't know kung magta 34 cents pa siya. But I think this previous resistance or now this one will become our support area already. And I think that's more or less strong already. already. Well, I just don't know. Pero kung titingnan mo kasi sa daily, wait, let's just take a look at it. At least nag-ano naman siya, oh. It's just that, wala eh, hindi pa rin siya, at least, trade above the developing point of control today, which is 84.97, no? Kasi currently doing at 84.69. So, at least sana naman is, diba, mas madami pang nakabili sa taas, ano? Ang kulit lang. So, anyway, I think we'll just use this one as our support area, which is, as you can see, there is the divergence over there. So, pwede pang bumaba dyan. But I think if you measure the possible risk reward, might be, I think, more or less, medyo rewarding na din, no? I think we'll just use this one. Immediate, no? Immediate, oh, we'll use this. And possibly this next resistance area. So I think from here, if I'm gonna measure it, though I don't know what happened to ADA, no? I currently don't trade it over a couple of months. Immediate resistance, immediate support, 173. Yeah, I might not possibly just watch it. It did not meet my, unless I plan to hold it again long term. I forgot when did I bought it, but I think I bought it around this. Because it's 2020, then I stake it and then I sold it. I just forgot how much is the selling price that I had before. Anyways, so yun lang masasabi ko kay Ada. Kasi yung mga bagong chains yung halos nag-aano ngayon eh. But if you plan to hold it long term, yeah, I think it's time to accumulate then at these levels and at least at this 15 cents. Halos din sila nakabili no, kung magpi 15 cents pa. But anyways, sa tingin ko naman hindi na siguro magpi 15 cents to. Unless talaga talagang babagsak yung BTC. Then it's opening to that 10 cents na or the point of control, no? Depende pa din sa kung ano magiging trend ni BTC. So anyway, at least may nakikita ka pa rin akong mga outliers, like for example, kahit na bumabagsak si BTC, di ba? Yeah, I think it's been the outlier, CGMT and ApeCoin over the couple of days, no? But anyway, I just hope na umakyat na din si BTC. Though, hindi ko siya binabantayan. Ang kulit ko lang eh. Yeah, cause I think at the end of the day, I'm looking at the fiat gains already. Kasi nung nag-start ako, syempre dun ako sa BTC Ethereum Litecoin ako before eh. That's my favorites. So ano pa? ADA, what else? Just look at it. Wala na masyado. Yeah, XRP, oh. What happened to XRP? I actually bought it last, I don't know, when the SEC started. Was this? When the SEC issue started, I already start accumulating it, and partly the gains that I have from futures gains napunta talaga dito, which I currently use it also as a collateral. So, yun lang. Yun lang kasi is that bumaba siya. Ang kulit lang. I I started accumulating it 2020 eh. 2020, so more or less at these areas then. So far it's still at least above, no? So far so above pa rin naman pala. Anyways, the green one, that's actually the monthly periodic volume. This one, the orange one, that's weekly periodic volume. And then the white one, that's the session volume, which is the daily. And then the volume profile from the date or the fixed range from where the chart is, no? Anyway, so it changes depending on the dates. So far, so what can I say to? Yeah, hopefully it holds at this. Else might see this, no? 55 cents. Grabe, ano? Pambihira. Sumama din siya kaya parang naging ada din to. Ang kulit lang eh. So sana mag-hold na siya dyan, no? Hopefully mag-hold na siya. Possibly. Possibly. But currently I don't trade it, no? Though I hold it. Though I hold it and use it as collateral at the moment. Kala ko nga mag-all-time high siya nung ano eh. Kaso wala. Kaso wala. Ang kulit lang. 55. Breakdown to 55 cents. So, 62 ang tinitingnan ko. And yeah, immediate resistance at developing point of control, which is the weekly, no? Around 77 cents. We can actually use that. 77 cents, which is this, and then this one. Normally, I'm using the conservative target, no? Though we can also still use that, the very high. But yeah, of course, it depends on you, no? But normally, I use the conservative one. So maybe from here, no? Wait, it's not. It's even trading below today's developing point of control. So though it might be rewarding if I use it, it's just that, hmm, it's just that it's trading below the point of control. So I think I still rather wait for it to at least trade above 65 cents for me to go long. Else, it might possibly break down and retest the 55 cents. So ano na ba to? So wala pa kasi masyadong ano. Though it's currently approaching oversold. So yun lang masasabi ko dito kay XRP. So I think that's it for today. It's already 39 minutes. The developing point of control. Yeah, I think so. I don't know eh. If you have the volume profile, then I think there is. Wait, let me just show you the what's this? This one, the style. Where is that? Yeah. Just click on the point of control. The developing point of control is if the week is not that does not yet end, kaya siya developing kasi magiging point of control siya eventually. So since today is Thursday, so nasa middle pa kasi siya ng ng week. Kaya developing point of control pa siya. But once the week ends, pag natapos na yung week, then it will become the point of control for that week. So, yun lang. So, meron yan kapag meron siyang volume profile. Just click on it. Um, this is actually the new one. I think the new indicator, which is volume profile, periodic volume. I actually add the weekly, and kasi yung session daily na siya and the monthly. Kasi yung session volume, that's the daily. And anyway, the value area that I use is 100. The default of it is actually 70. So, yun lang masasabi ko. Ay, may binago ka ba sa input? Ay, wait lang. Input. Input ng input dito. Yeah. Yeah, binago ko. Value area 100. Yun yung binago ko sa input. Even this. 100. And even the ano. Yun. Actually, yun lang naman yung binago ko dito eh. Even the session, no, 100. And even the fixed range or the visible range, which is also, kasi ang default nito 100. You check your inputs. Yeah, yun lang naman binago ko eh. Kasi I want the whole transaction to show eh. Not just the 70 lang. Diba? Well, that's just me. Yes. Yes, the value. Ano ba yun? Nakalimutan ko. Ang kulit lang eh. Value area volume 100. Default of it is 70. So, yun lang. So, I think yun lang guys. It's already 7:51 p.m. Philippine time. And I've been streaming for 42 minutes and 42 seconds. Wow! Ang kulit na rin. Yeah, as much as possible, let's just make it quick, sabi ko nga eh. Kasi baka mamaya biglang magano. Ano sana ba si binabantayan ko? 4:02 na. Yeah, though na-adjust ko na din naman sa 396. It's just that, ayun. Ayun nagre-resist siya. Ang kulit lang eh. I have added 15 kasi nag-i-scalp din ako minsan. But not much. I just added it. Wow. Even dito, makikita mo na medyo nahihirapan siyang konti. Nahihirapan siya. So, anyway, I think that's just it. Kung wala na kayong tanong, then I might end this stream. Thank you very much for tuning in. See you again next time. So, disclaimer guys, trading and investing have risks, so always do your own research and trade cautiously. Bye guys, and happy trading everyone. Siguro bukas, baka kasi hindi ako mag-stream kasi nga, di ba? Happy na ako kay GMT. Maybe Saturday. See you again next time. Siguro baka Saturday na lang kasi I don't have plans tomorrow to trade. And I think that was monthly options expiration. So expect volatility dito I just don't know what might happen to BTC. So yeah, I think I'd rather not trade muna. So chill muna tayo. So I think that's it. Bye guys, and yun, happy trading everyone. Ay, meron na pala.